Back now on Triad today, and it's always nice when we can talk with folks about helping young people, and these are three folks that know all about that topic. With me, of course, my two good buddies, David Daggett, Griff Shuler from the Daggett Shuler Law Firm, and a repeat guest, and we always like when he drops by, of course. Richard Daniels is here as Executive Director, William G. White Jr., YMCA. Good to see you guys.
Glad to be here. Yes.
David, let me start with you. We're going to talk about a teen center that has to do with Safe Sober in just a second, but let's bring everybody up to speed. Just give me a few seconds on what the mission of Safe Sober is and how it's changed over the years.
Yeah, so Safe Sober is going into its 35th year, and the founding principles are raising awareness of the dangers of drugs and alcohol for young people, using the power of positive peer pressure, then engaging community, metaphorically and literally wrapping the arms of encouragement and support around young people in our community.
Right.
Historically, that was done through proms and through high schools. We've seen the issues trickle down to middle school and even younger.
Okay.
So we've adopted the program to address a wider range of young people, still doing proms, but also hitting younger people as they come through the school system.
Right, and Griff, over those many years, what kind of general feedback have you gotten from kids, parents, teachers, educators?
Just phenomenal feedback on the impact on the individual lives of the students. And I think that one of the biggest things that we've seen is that we are able to amplify the program when we are able to partner with other folks in the community.
Right.
And so being able to partner with folks like the YMCA to get the word out and change the kids and making sure that the kids are making right decisions.
Yeah.
Is all part of the program.
Now, David, quickly, how did this teen center come about?
Well, this is an interesting story. Richard and I have been good friends for a long, long time. We both have a passion and interest that Griff and I have shared for our entire time together on helping young people for a better community going into the future.
Right.
And Richard kept saying to me, there's something here we can do. There's something here we can do. And he worked on me until he wore me out.
Yeah.
But no, seriously, we got together and we formed this. Richard and his team at the YMCA have kind of taken the lead. In addition to be executive director of the William G. White YMCA, he's vice president of community engagement. So it dovetails really well with all of Richard's responsibilities and his passions.
All right, so we have this sort of a Safe Sober Teen Center. It's a teen center set up at your place. What kind of activities and engagements do you involve the teens in?
So first, let me just say that our mission at the YMCA is helping all people reach their God-given potential in spirit, mind, and body. And so in this teen center, we try to make sure that we're instilling that in these kids every day by doing a lot of mentoring opportunities with these kids. We're doing a lot of activities such as teaching them about healthy lifestyles, teaching these kids about how to balance their checkbook, how to have different conversations, how to meet people where they are.
That's great stuff. Now, but can they come in any day and do that, or just certain days where they get certain activities?
They can come in any day. And so it's not really a program, it is an initiative. And so these kids come in and it's having a structured program in an environment where they can come in and do whatever they want to do in a safe environment.
David, why should everybody support this?
Well, they should support it because the young people are our future, and we have a lot of underserved young people in our community who are good kids, but what they're looking for is leadership, guidance, and direction in a safe space that's encouraging and supportive. And the Teen Center at the YMCA fulfills that mission as well as any organization could possibly do it.
Now, very, very quickly, time's almost out, but Richard, is there a certain number of kids you can serve? Is there a cutoff? Or?
We try to serve all.
Okay.
We have typically around 80 kids that come into our facility.
80 kids.
We have over 180 kids that's on our roster right now.
That's great. Speaking of that, let's go up on screen here. You can go to ymcanwnc.org for more information. And if you ever need David and Griff, you can go to daggettshulerlaw.com or call 724-1234. Richard, thanks for everything as always.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you.
Thanks, Richard.
Thank
All right,
you.
You're going
Thank
to hang around for the round table, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll be right back.